Welcome, everyone. We are here today to celebrate the love of Sam and Jenna. Thank you for being here on this very special day. By being here, you celebrate with them the love they have found in each other, and you support their decision to commit themselves to a lifelong marriage. Now, wedding days rarely go off without a hitch, and if you don't know, Sam took care of that last weekend on the pickleball court. And yet we're here. We made it. Nothing is gonna stop these two.
Although Jenna may be the one fixing the leaky pipes in the house, Sam still has plenty to offer and plenty to bring to the table. From meeting in driver's ed and reconnecting in college, and then mom picking Jenna up one evening and her going on and on and on about how Sam is the nicest boy she's ever met. And if you want video proof of this, come find Laura after we have it on videotape.
And here we are. Now that Sam and Jenna have given themselves to each other by these vows, and with the joining of hands and the giving and receiving of a ring, it is my absolute delight and pleasure to pronounce that they are husband and wife. Friends and family, it is my great privilege to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Schumacher. You may kiss the bride.
I can't wait. The day is shining. I can't wait. There ain't no hiding. And I'm dancing on a new horizon. I can't wait. I can't wait no more. I found my heart a new beginning, and I'm breathing in its melodies. I spent so many days a wishing, but now life keeps playing symphonies. And better days ain't on the way, yeah, they're here. Look around without the clouds, the sky is clear. I can't wait, the day is shining. I can't wait, there ain't no hiding. Yeah, I'm dancing on a new horizon, and I can't wait no more. Well, now the world is back to spinning, and there's music singing in the streets. When every song you sing's electrifying, and you'll hear them speaking harmony. And better days ain't on the way, yeah, they're here. Look around, the good we found will disappear.